Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cleaning the treatment area, wash and pat dry so Minoxidil contacts skin, not oil. Once done, perform a 24-hour patch test on your inner arm to check sensitivity. Next, measure 1 ml with the dropper. Apply small drops directly to sparse beard zones. Use a cotton swab to spread product evenly. This prevents drips and concentrates coverage. Make sure you're seated over a towel and avoid touching other surfaces while it dries to keep dosage accurate and hygienic. Continue by following a steady routine. You apply 1 ml twice daily, ideally morning and night, to the same target areas for consistent exposure. Once you place the drops, rub gently for 30 to 60 seconds so the minoxidil spreads into follicles. This improves absorption while reducing runoff. After application, wash your hands right away to prevent transfer. Make sure to leave the formula on for 2 to 4 hours before showering or heavy sweating, so it can penetrate and work effectively. Finish by establishing maintenance. You should keep using the product twice daily and track photos weekly because meaningful change typically takes months rather than days. If you experience redness, itching, or excessive dryness, stop application and consult a healthcare professional. You may need a lower concentration or different regimen. Once resolved, resume cautiously. If results plateau, review technique and compliance before increasing dose. Lastly, avoid combining other topical medications unless your provider approves to prevent interactions and extra irritation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.